Hello students, you are watching Pharmacokinetics. This is Dr. Ahmed Sohaib, and in this lecture we will be discussing a very important topic, that is pharmacokinetics, and specifically we are talking about the stages of pharmacokinetics. So without much ado, let's start the lecture. Dear students, we will be discussing the stages of pharmacokinetics. The stages of pharmacokinetics are divided into 4 different stages. The first being the absorption, in which the drug reaches to the blood directly or indirectly via stomach or intestine. So the absorption is defined as the transfer of drug from the site of administration to the blood. There are certain factors that either increases or decreases the drug absorption, and those factors include blood flow, surface area, P-glycoprotein contact time, or pH. The second stage is the drug distribution. Once the drug reaches to the blood, it is distributed to the different tissues, cells, organs, and interstitial fluid with the help of blood. So the blood is the major tissue that is responsible for the drug distribution to the entire body, or where the receptors are present. So the distribution is defined as the drug reversibly leaves blood and enters interstitial fluid. There are certain factors that either increases or decreases the drug distribution, and those factors include blood flow, capillary permeability, drug plasma protein binding, lipophilicity, and volume of the distribution. All these factors are extensively discussed in a separate lecture, and the link of that lecture is given in the description. The third stage of pharmacokinetics is drug metabolism. It is a very important stage of pharmacokinetics because drug is prepared and modified so that it could easily be eliminated from the body. And drug metabolism leads to the production of the products that allow drugs to be easily eliminated from the body. Drug is eliminated via phase 1 and phase 2 reactions, and in order to make these reactions possible, there are a family of enzymes called cytochrome P450 system that metabolizes all these drugs. The last stage of pharmacokinetics is drug elimination. Once the drug is modified and changed into a more easily excretable form, then the drug is eliminated from the body. So this stage is often called as drug excretion or drug elimination. The sufficiently polar drugs easily eliminate from the body, and kidney is the major route of elimination. Others include hepatic and the biliary route of elimination. So in order to remember all the stages of pharmacokinetics, all you have to remember is this ADMI, because this ADMI will make you remember the absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion phase of pharmacokinetics. If you have learned and memorized this ADMI, we want to say goodbye to this ADMI. Thank you for watching and sharing this video.